Who doesn't like a little bit of free money? And when it comes to crypto, airdrops are probably the closest thing to actual free money. And yeah, of course, yeah, sometimes you have to invest some money for gas fees and that kind of thing. But the returns are very disproportionate to the amount of effort and funds that you put in. The rewards, to be clear, are big enough to warrant that investment, whatever it may be. And we've had some recent airdrops with very juicy rewards. You're probably going to remember Aptos, Arbitrum, and Optimism, and people made anywhere from $500 really to $50,000 depending on how much you were able to capitalize on. But these were extremely lucrative. Airdrops do represent some of the best money-making opportunities in crypto. Today I'll share with you two more that are coming your way.
And now, let's move on to the airdrop itself. It is conducted by the developers of XEN Crypto project. AIRDROP is a part of marketing strategy to promote XEN token among population in order to increase the number of holders and interest in the project. AIRDROP is held on the famous TrustPad platform. It is a multi-chain, one of the top 5 of the largest launch pads. So, let's take part in AIRDROP while there's an opportunity and guaranteed ways to earn XEN tokens. Organizers of the drawing have considered that there will be a lot of people, so the limit is the maximum amount of tokens you can get. The limit is $500 in XEN tokens. Also, we see that airdrop amount is limited, 7,400,000,000 tokens allocated and already 12% distributed, which means we need to hurry. The rules of participation in airdrop are very simple. We need to have a wallet on MetaMask or Trust Wallet to get the precious $500. I have a MetaMask add-on, for example. Click Join Airdrop and connect your wallet to the platform. After connecting your wallet to the platform, immediately you will see a pop-up about a small fee for the transaction that you need to pay. After that, the only thing left is to wait for the XEN tokens to come to our wallet. So friends, I did it! It took about 5 minutes and XEN tokens appeared on my wallet. I got 24,342,000 tokens, which is roughly equivalent to $500. I earned $500 basically in a matter of minutes. This is unbelievable. I can say with certainty that the developers have achieved their goal, as I'm already thinking about holding this token, because I believe that this project has a great future. Besides that, I've already taken interest in following the project.